Good morning, my dear student. Ionic equilibrium, easy way to identify conjugate acid and bases. The question given is conjugate base for Bronsted acid H2O and HFR, A OH minus and H2FH plus respectively, hydronium ion and F minus respectively, OH minus and F minus respectively, and hydronium ion and H2F plus respectively. Now these are Lowry-Bronsted acid. For this acid, we can easily write the conjugate base. Listen carefully. Now, our first Bronsted acid is H2O. When dissolved in H2O, gives one water molecule donate a proton, act as acid, another water molecule accept a proton and act as a base. After donation of proton, now we have only OH minus ion, and this H2O is converted into hydronium ion. In the reverse reaction, hydronium ion donate a proton, therefore this is acid, OH minus ion is a base. The OH minus ion is formed from this acid, therefore this is acid 1, that one is base 1, and acid 2, base 2. Now, what is the conjugate base of water molecule? The conjugate base of H2O is OH minus. This is your conjugate acid base pair. And these two, acid base, these two are conjugate acid base pair. Acid base pair. One more also asked. So water molecule, the conjugate base is OH minus. We have two options. Come to HF. HF is conjugate Lowry-Bronsted acid. We have to find out the conjugate base. Hydrofluoric acid HF when dissolved in water. HF when dissolved in H2O. HF donate a proton and becomes F minus ion. Water molecule accept that proton and becomes H3O plus ion, hydronium ion. HF donate a proton, therefore it is Lowry-Bronsted acid. Water molecule accept a proton, Lowry-Bronsted base in the reverse reaction. Hydronium ion donate a proton, therefore acid, accept a proton, therefore base. What is conjugate base of hydrofluoric acid F minus? This is your conjugate acid base pair, and these two are conjugate acid base pair. So what is the answer? Conjugate base of water molecule is OH minus, conjugate base of HF is F minus. Answer is OH minus, F minus respectively. One more problem we are going to discuss is which of the following can act as Lowry-Bronsted acid as well as base? Which one of the following can act as Lowry-Bronsted acid as well as base? HCl, SO4 2 minus, HPO4 2 minus, and Br minus. A substance or ion, if it acts as an Lowry-Bronsted acid, it has a tendency to donate a proton And as well as base means it has a tendency to accept a H plus ion, proton. So those ions which are having negative charge or neutral molecule like water molecule ammonia can accept a proton. So those ion, negatively charged ion, and the nucleophile like water molecule ammonia, they are having tendency to accept a proton, can act as Lewis base. Lewis acid means the substance has a tendency to donate a proton. So those substance which containing H plus ion can act as Lowry-Pransett acid. Lowry-Pransett acid, Lowry-Pransett acid. So among these two, this can tendency to donate only the proton, not has a tendency to accept a proton. Remember that. And here, this has a tendency to accept a proton because this is negatively charged, but not a tendency to donate a proton. It can act only Lewis base, not acid. It can act only, not Lewis, Lowry-Pransett base. It can act only Lowry-Pransett acid, not base. Br minus, it has a tendency to accept a proton, therefore it can act only Lowry-Pransett base. But HPO4 2 minus, it has a negative charge, therefore has a tendency to accept a proton, can act as base, and it has hydrogen atom and has a tendency to donate a proton, and also can act as acid. This substance can act as both Lowry-Pransett acid and Lowry-Pransett base. One more question. Account for the acidic nature of HClO4, perchloric acid, in terms of Lowry-Pransett theory. Identify its conjugate base. First we are going to identify the conjugate base of this perchloric acid. Molecular formula HClO4. When dissolved in water, HClO4, perchloric acid, donate a proton, therefore acid, water accept a proton, Lowry-Pransett base. After donation of proton, HClO4 becomes ClO4 minus plus water molecule becomes hydronium ion. In the reverse reaction, hydronium ion donate a proton, Lowry-Pransett acid. ClO4, perchlorate ion, accept a proton, act as a Lowry-Pransett base. This base is formed from acid 1 and this base is formed from acid 2. Question is, what is the conjugate base of perchloric acid? The conjugate base of perchloric acid is ClO4 minus. This is your conjugate acid base pair. Acid base pair. And one more explanation, we can give the acidic nature of perchloric acid. The acidic character of perchloric acid. Chlorine, the oxidation number of chlorine in perchloric acid is +7. Increase in oxidation number weaken the OH bond strength and increases the acidity. Therefore, HClO4 is a strong acid. The oxidation number of chlorine is +7. Increase in oxidation number weaken the OH bond strength, therefore increases the acidity. Perchloric acid is considered as a strong acid. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And in the incoming video, we are going to discuss the Lewis concept of acid and bases. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please Saraka, whatever. Please, I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, Sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.